Title: The Default Gateway, a Cisco Perspective Introduction. As we delve into the world of network communication, understanding the concept and importance of a default gateway is crucial. In this article, we will explore the default gateway from a Cisco perspective, examining its definition, usage, and real-world representation. By the end of this exploration, you will gain a comprehensive understanding of how this fundamental network component functions within the Cisco ecosystem. Definition of the default gateway in Cisco networking. The default gateway refers to the IP address assigned to the router interface that serves as the exit point for traffic from a local network to external networks. It acts as a bridge between the local network and other networks, enabling communication and routing data packets to their intended destinations. Usage of the default gateway in a Cisco network. The default gateway plays a vital role in enabling connectivity and facilitating the flow of traffic. Here are some key aspects of its usage. 1. Interconnecting networks. The default gateway connects different networks, allowing devices within a local network to communicate with devices in other networks. It serves as the entry point for traffic leaving the local network, forwarding data packets to their intended destinations across external networks. 2. Routing decision-making. When a device in a local network wants to send data to a device in another network, it relies on the default gateway to make routing decisions. The default gateway examines the destination IP address of each data packet and uses routing tables and protocols to determine the best path for forwarding the packets. 3. NAT and PAT. The default gateway often incorporates network address translation and port address translation techniques. NAT allows the default gateway to translate private IP addresses in the local network to a public IP address when communicating with external networks. PAT, on the other hand, enables multiple devices within the local network to share a single public IP address by using different port numbers. Real-world representation of the default gateway. To better understand the default gateway, let's examine its real-world representation in the context of a Cisco network. 1. Cisco router. As the default gateway in a Cisco network, a router typically assumes the role of the default gateway. The router connects different networks and interfaces, serving as the central hub for routing traffic. Cisco routers are purpose-built devices designed to handle the complexities of network communication, providing reliable and secure connectivity. 2. Physical and logical representation. Physically, the default gateway can be represented by a Cisco router interface or a combination of interfaces. The router interfaces connect to different networks, enabling traffic to flow between them. From a logical perspective, the default gateway is represented by the IP address assigned to the router interface that serves as the exit point for traffic leaving the local network. This IP address is crucial for devices within the local network to reach devices outside the network. Conclusion. In Cisco networking, the default gateway serves as the gateway to the outside world for devices within a local network. It enables connectivity, processes routing decisions, and facilitates the flow of traffic. By understanding its definition, usage, and real-world representation, network administrators can effectively configure and manage the default gateway to optimize network performance and ensure seamless connectivity. Embracing the Cisco perspective on the default gateway empowers network professionals to navigate the intricacies of network communication, enhancing their ability to design, troubleshoot, and secure networks effectively. The default gateway can be likened to a bridge connecting two islands, allowing traffic to flow between them and directing vehicles to their intended destinations. Just as the bridge serves as the only way for vehicles to exit one island and enter another, the default gateway acts as the exit point for data packets leaving a local network and entering external networks. It ensures seamless communication and guides data packets towards their intended destinations, much like a bridge guides vehicles to their respective endpoints. Or the default gateway can be compared to a central post office in a city, where all mail is received and sorted before being directed to their respective destinations. Similarly, the default gateway acts as the central hub for network traffic, receiving and processing data packets from a local network before forwarding them to the appropriate destinations in external networks. It ensures efficient delivery of data just as a post office ensures that mail reaches the correct recipients.